This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly increase or decrease decimal places in Google Sheets. Here I have a small spreadsheet with a list of values and a corresponding number. And let's suppose I only want there to be 3 decimal places as opposed to all of these that are here. You don't have to click on each cell and then highlight the numbers that you don't want to see and then delete them. You don't have to do that. What you need to do is highlight all of the cells whose decimal placement you want to change, then go up here to this menu and select Decrease Decimal Places. When you do that, it will decrease the decimal places in your numbers. And the really good thing about this is that it will automatically round up or down that last placement. And then the original number isn't gone. This only changes the display. So when you double click on the cell, the original value is still there. Suppose you actually want more decimal placements. All you need to do is highlight those cells again, then select Increase Decimal Places, and then change it to your liking. So this video shows you how you can quickly decrease or increase decimal placement values in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.